I know I've made it before, but tonight for dinner I'm going to be making a Chick-fil-A tortilla soup mock. I'm going to start by dicing up some onion. To a pot, I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to add the onion. Now some minced garlic. I'm going to add a can of cannelli beans to the blender. Oops. I'm going to add some cumin, oregano, and some salt. Now I'm going to add the pureed cannelli beans, the other can of cannelli beans, and you're not going to drain any of these cans. 1 can of Rotel, 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of regular corn, and 1 can of cream corn. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Mix it all together. Now I'm going to add some lime juice. Give it a taste test, and if it's good on seasoning, it is ready to serve. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it. I'm going to add some shredded cheese, as well as some tortilla strips on top. And this is what it's going to look like.